So here is Delta stocks, Delta airline stock today, and as we said yesterday, until time comes that people are comfortable to fly again, this stock will continue to struggle a little bit. And as you can see, it continues to struggle to go up and pull down. We know eventually it's going to hit the 60 mark around here. But for now, it's probably going to trade on the sideways for some time, and then when the economy improves and people become comfortable to fly, and then it's going to edge up. If you want to buy, it is very important for you to wait. Like I said yesterday, I'm expecting it to come to this level, and as you can see, it continues to edge down. So this is a daily, the one we're looking at monthly. But if you look at the daily time frame, this stock continues to come closer. I'm expecting this to retest around the $25 level, and then from there it will continue to go and try to hit the 60 level mark. And so if I'm you and I'm interested in buying, this is the time to start accumulating. Buy here, you buy here, you buy here, and then hold it for that to and ride it upstairs. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.